Yes, good day everyone. Welcome back to Global Gift TV. Today's video I'll be showing you how to register and how to deposit on Thermo. Yes, my name is Global Gift TV. I'm a Nigeria-based YouTuber. I share updates on how to make money online every day. I used to drop most of my video every day. Subscribe to this channel, like and comment below so I can know how you feel about this video. First, you're going to do is you're going to register your account. You put your first name, your last name, your email, and put your phone number. Put your phone number and put your username, and put your password and confirm your password. After creating your account, you log into your account here. You put your username and password. Remember to not to forget about your password. Okay, we're started. Yes, on how Thermo work. Thermo work based on Google AdSense. Here you can be sharing daily tasks and can get paid. You can be sharing daily tasks of 300 naira every day, making 300 naira every day. You can also refer your friend. I'm earning 1,300 naira for each referral you refer. And you can also get paid here every day by doing simple tasks. Yes, on how to deposit, you go to these three dots here. You click on three dots here. You scroll down. You click on deposit now. You want to click on deposit now. You activate your account. You click on deposit now. You see deposit limit. You can deposit easily. What you need, that you only need 2,000 naira, 2,500 naira as the one-time fee registration. It's your 2,500 naira there. You put submit. After submit, you click on confirm deposit. After that, you have requested 2,500 naira. Please pay 2,500 naira to successful payment. Yes, you want to pay 2,000 naira to get your coupon code. What you're going to do is that you can buy your coupon code from Ishish. You can buy coupon code from any vendor here. You can buy it from any one of them. It will link to their WhatsApp. You can buy from them. But assuming you have gotten yours, fine. You can buy from any one of them here. They are really legit vendors. First thing you are going to do is that be given a coupon code. Assuming you are first timer, you have not gotten the coupon code, you can message me direct so I can guide you on that. You put your coupon code here as the picture there. They will give you a coupon code that you use. Yes, this is one of my coupon code here. You place it on it here. You now click on pay now. Click on pay now. After paying, you have to wait. It will be showing pending. Successful, you will leave it. Because I've already paid before, it may not go because I've already used it before. You see now, you have paid 500 naira. Still pending. Still pending there. You still be pending because I've already deposited here. On how to do your daily tax, you come here where you see PTC. Here, you click on PTC. Click on ads. Yes, like the ads is out now. It's out. What to do is that you can do shish ads. You be earning 300 naira. Let's say you view first ad, let ad to load. You let it to load to 100%. load to 100%. You'll be given a cash out that you use, like 8 plus 2, that means it's 10. Put 10 there, put confirm to earn. This is how you earn here every day. Yes, I've earned 100 naira from that successful ad. You go to second one there, give me another ad. Challenge on how to switch this. You can change your browser, change it to desktop. See how I change it? Change it to desktop. Yeah, so that you not disturb you again. Let's go back. Put your time is 7. 5 plus 2 is 7. Click on confirm end. Yes, successful there. I see what I'm saying. Successful. Click on the second ad. Wait for it to load. The system is back now. It's back. Let's switch on. Okay, it's back. It's back to normal. It's back to normal now. Yes, they're making different type of ads. Don't click it. Just leave it. You can exit it. No, don't go back. Refresh your page. Please don't click on any ads you see there. Just leave any advert you see there. Just leave it. Let it pump and leave it on its own. Just calm down. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Let's wait. Yes, please. Who sees? Who confirm to end? Please don't click on any ads you see on the page. Just leave it. It's from Google AdSense. Yes, we have confirmed. After doing the tax, our balance have already upgraded again. That's how you'll be coming here to be doing your daily tax every day by day. Yes, you can check the plan. This plan means that if you have not subscribed, to show that you have not subscribed, but you have subscribed. Have you seen here? Already subscribed. It will remove 2,500 from your account. It's going to show back in your account. As you see, you can be earning 1,300 from any referrals you refer, and 300 naira from commission. You can also be earning 3,000 naira, 300 naira from each referrals that refers their friend again. That means, let's say I refer Shade. Shade referred me, and you're the one that refers Shade. That means you'll be earning from my own commission I'm making, that Shade is making, then from it. That's how it works. Let's check the tree there. Yeah, check the tree. This is how it's work here. You can check your tree. Yeah, this is it. This is me. You refer someone else, and this person referred, and you'll be all this generation to be coming to you, be earning from everyone. The one that referred another 2 person, this one referred another 2 person, this one referred 2 person again, referred 2 person. That means from each referrals there, you'll be earning from it every day. From it's so amazing. Yes. Please, after watching this video, if you have any problem, maybe depositing on how to register, you can DM me privately on WhatsApp. You can DM me through any of my link here. My Telegram group, you can DM me. I'll answer you. Please remember, I'm not the owner of this site or any of this site I'm sharing here. I'm just promoting site so that people can make money. Yeah. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.